Drink this for 3 days and your belly fat will melt away like ice cream. Comment here for me your city, so I can send you a special hug. Many people asked for this, and today, you will know a special recipe for a powerful fat-burning detox juice. This detox recipe is very simple to prepare, and its ingredients contain nutrients that promote the burning of fat, especially belly fat. Before revealing the recipe, understand why it really works. One of the ingredients in this fat-burning detox juice is prunes. A study by the University of Liverpool revealed that prunes help shrink the waistline. The discovery came after the psychology professor's team recruited 100 overweight volunteers, who didn't usually include much fiber in their diet. Half were given the task of eating portions of plums, raisins during snacks, and the other half were directed to just follow the balanced menu. Another ingredient is pineapple, a fruit that contains properties that aid in weight loss, contributing to the loss of body fat. Coconut water is another favorable ingredient for weight loss and size reduction. The main reason is that above all it is a healthy drink. By containing calories and containing other essential ingredients, it can help you lose weight and maintain your weight as well. Tropical cultures know all about the benefits and weight loss, as well as other benefits of coconut water, because they have been using it for a long time. The content of coconut water is 95% water, and the other remaining 5% consists of essential nutrients, including vitamin B, C, and minerals such as potassium, iron, copper, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium. Another powerful ingredient in this recipe is golden flax seeds, sources of important nutrients, such as omega-3 and dietary fiber. These seeds have been widely used in weight loss diets, since several studies indicate that golden flaxseed is of the people who want to lose weight and reduce measures. Ingredients: 2 slices of pineapple, 1 teaspoon of chopped or dehydrated parsley, 1 200 ml glass of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed or flaxseed, and 2 prunes. Add all ingredients to the blender and mix well. Add ice and drink right away. These ingredients yield a little more than 1 glass. For larger quantities, increase the amount of ingredients proportionally. But how do you like this recipe? I want to pass on a message that is in Isaiah 41:10. Therefore do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you with my victorious right hand. In other words, when we follow God with all our hearts, He takes care of us and protects us. We don't need to be afraid, because God is powerful to lead us to victory. A kiss, and until the next video. Bye.